Hey guys, Miss Daniels here again for your next week of NTI work. So I just wanted to go back through this page again. This is talking about your activity, how much time you're spending on it, and how we're going to be checking it. We want to remind you have a math, reading, self-help skill, and science activity for each day. And you have 2 journal prompts. You have one for math and one for reading. This is a look at the checklist. So if you go straight across here and put a check in every box, you will have completed everything that you need to do for each day. Once you've done that, just initial in the last box that you've done it, and we will count that as completed. So this week, go back for just a second, you'll be completing days 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so this is your daily assignments. And again, here we have the assignments that you're going to be completing. And if you're wondering what like the overall outcome we want, it's right up here. So let's look down at day 6, since that's where we're starting this week. So just Monday for reading, we are going to be working on long and short vowel sounds in a word. So here are the 1, 2, 3, 4 activities that you need to complete that go with that day of reading. You have this document for both reading and for math. So I'm going to keep a hold on that so I can read your journals to you guys as we go through. Okay, and again, here's your math one, and you're going to be starting here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 little pieces of the assignment to achieve our overall outcome for the day. I can solve addition and subtraction word problems. Here again is your self-help skills. We're going to have you complete 5 new ones that you didn't do last week. So this could be something as simple as giving 5 compliments to people in your home, preparing your own snacks. So maybe you want to put some carrots in a bowl or some chips in a bowl, helping fold the towels, or making your bed in the morning. So as you complete that, just have your parent initial in the box that you've completed. All right, so like I said, we're gonna start on day 6. So for day 6, you are actually gonna be listening to a story with Miss Egan in your Zoom hour, and then you can write the title of, well, with Miss Egan or your teacher, you can write the title that you listened to, rate your book, and then draw a picture of your favorite part. Here is one of the games that we've put together for you to play. Go ahead and cut out the different puzzle pieces. Then you're going to be putting the pieces together to make a word. Like this is H-O-M-E. If I put those letters together, the magic E makes the O say O. Home. Then you see a picture of a home in your puzzle. So practice putting those pieces together, and you can color them as well. All right, so here we have our first reading journal. It is for day 6. Your question will be, if I could change one thing about my classroom, I would change. All right, then we're going to start with our math. So we have a set of 1, 2, 3, 4 word problems that you're going to do. You're going to be using different strategies for each one. Like in this one, you're going to be using a number line, and you can cut out these pictures of frogs to glue to help you use a picture. This one, you're going to be using a tens frame as well as writing the equation. This one, you're going to use a 5 frame, and you're going to have to color in the shirts to tell which have which pattern on them. Again, here's a tens frame, here is a number line and writing the equation. And once you've completed those, you'll have your journal. Your math journal for today is, how many numbers come between 2 and 7? Write them. Then after you write them, solve the problem up here, I would write a sentence that said, there are blank numbers between 2 and 7. All right, we are on day 7. All right, here is magic E. You're going to be adding the magic E to each word, figuring out which picture goes with which word, cutting it and pasting it. If I add a magic E to this word, it would make the A say ache, ain, Which picture shows a cane? Here it is. Cut and glue it into that box. You have another reading response. You can pick your own book, or you can listen to another one from a teacher. All right, you're reading day 7 journal entry. Write about a time when you helped someone. All right, so you are going to be working with Pete the cat to solve some subtraction problems today. Read the problem, use whatever method you'd like to solve it. Remember, we talked about you can use your fingers to solve it. You can draw a picture to solve it. You can use manipulatives, that means cereal or pennies or anything that you have home, or even some buttons. Here is another Pete the Cat activity. If you cut apart the cards, you can pull one out, read the problem. Then on this sheet, you'll write the number sentence that goes with it. So this one says, Pete the Cat has 6 groovy buttons. 3 rolled away. How many buttons are left? So your problem that would go with this would be 6 minus 3 equals, and then you'll put the answer. All right, Math Journal Day 7, our prompt is draw a repeating pattern using a triangle, a circle, and a square. So you're going to complete that up here, and then you can write the shapes in your repeating pattern down here. All right, day 8. So you are going to be looking for the short U and long U words and drawing a picture to match. So here's the magic E. It makes the U say U. Tube, tube. Draw a picture of a tube. This word doesn't have a magic E, so the U says n. Sun. Draw a picture of a sun. We have another reading response. The journal prompt for today is choose a book to read. Oh, nope, that's not it. Sorry. The journal prompt was, if you could be in charge of the school for a day, what would you do? I can't wait to read those. That's going to be fun. Here's your math activity. You're solving to make 10. So look how many hamburgers, how many hot dogs. There's 10 altogether because the tens frame is full. Here's your math journal for the day. Your math question is, draw a square. Label its sides. Label its vertices. How many vertices does a square have? Your sentence will say, a square has blank vertices. Day 9. All right, so today you guys are going to be reading Mongo and Cutie. This is a book that you should be able to read. It's a level C. Then from Mongo and Cutie, I want you guys to fill out this story map. You're going to be looking at the setting, the characters, what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end. All right, your journal for day 9 is write about something you have learned this year. So think hard, draw a picture, then write a sentence. All right, so next we have added in a number memory game. Here are the directions. You're going to cut apart the pieces, put them face down so you can't see. Then, when you pick them up, you're going to try to make a match. 0 plus 3 equals, that's 3. I would have made a match. Your math journal prompt 9 is, Mary made 3 cakes. The first cake is shorter than the third cake. The second cake is the tallest of them all. Draw the cakes and circle the cake that is the shortest. That one's going to be tricky. Let's see who gets it. Last day, day 10. Working on that magic E again. So look down through your words, find your magic E, make the A say its name, and cut out the pictures to glue with the right words. Here's another reading response page. Your journal for day 10 is, would you rather have inside recess or outside recess, and why? So I want you to use the word because today. Here you're building some teen numbers. We're going to start working on those teen numbers. You guys have practiced these before. You're going to look at the number, find that many blocks, and write the equation. Remember, this is called a tens rod, and these are ones. So you're going to see how many tens rods and how many ones make up the number. So 10 plus what equals 16? We've also included a war game. So here you can cut out cards with 10 frames on them from 0 to 20. Then each person is going to get some cards and you're going to take turns flipping them over. If I got this card and you got this card, I would win the round because 10 is more than 1. So I would get both cards. Now, after this is some math activities that you are welcome to do at home. They're just a little bit of extra help and activities for you to do to supplement what we're already doing. This is by no means anything that you have to complete. The last thing for your reading and math assignments is Math Journal Day 10. Your journal entry today is draw 5 things that are shorter than your hand. So you'll get to go around your house, pick things up, see if they're shorter than your hand. I'm going to start at the bottom of my hand. Remember, we always start at the bottom when we measure. This pin is shorter than my hand, so I could draw it on my journal entry for the day. All right, guys, that is all for days 6 through 10. Thanks so much. Let us know if you have any questions or need anything. Thank you.